Welcome to the Practice Wellbeing Centre at our Bowen Terrace campus. Our student-led clinic offers holistic natural therapy services to the public.
Here, students gain hands-on practice with the guidance of expert supervisors
In naturopathy, Western herbal medicine, clinical nutrition, beauty and dermal therapy. Students gain hands-on practice under the guidance of expert supervisors. Come visit us at the Practice Wellbeing Centre, Bowen Terrace. To make an appointment, call this number.